It was Christmas on the Island of Sodor, and all of the engines were merrily enjoying the festive season. Ryan was unloading lots of Christmas decorations. Garlands and lights were being put up all over the town.
Wow! These decorations are going to make the town look so festive! And me too! Hello, Percy. Oh, Thomas, there you are. I wanted to ask you, would you like to deliver the special Christmas mail with me tonight? Oh, that would be wonderful. Then we can see all of the lights in the dark. I know! The island is always so beautiful this time of year, with lights and decorations and... I know exactly what you mean, Percy, and it sounds amazing. Let's do it. You two had best be careful. There's a storm coming. Oh, Edward, I'm sure it'll be fine. Huh. You just don't want to wear your snowplow, and I don't blame you, given how stupid it looks on you. Oh! Well done, Diesel. Well done. Huh? What's that sound? What sound? Oh no!
Shouldn't we be reaching Arlesburg soon, Dougie? Lord's sakes, Nonny, the town is buried. Is that Ryan? Dinna fast yourself, Ryan. We'll soon have you out.
We can't clear all this snow on our own. I'll go and get help. Are you ready to go, Thomas? Of course. Okay, I'll go and get the mail vans now. I'm so excited. Thomas, where is everyone? They're out finishing their jobs. Is something wrong? There's been an avalanche in Arlesburg. The town is covered in snow, and I need your help. Don't worry, I'm coming. Oh, hello, James. Where's Thomas? He just left with Ryan. Oh. Hey, weren't you meant to be pulling that mail train with Thomas? I was, but now he's gone away with Ryan instead. Oh. Well, I wouldn't be too worried about him, Percy. You'll do a much better job on your own anyway. He'd only get in the way. Maybe I should just head back. Edward did say there'd be a storm. Don't do that. You need to show that you can do this, with or without Thomas. Maybe. Thanks, Diesel. bust my buffers. The town is completely snowed under. Oh no! Everyone, push harder!
One more station and then it's back to my shed.
You're lucky that you're not out there in that awful storm for much longer.
Oh, I know. I can't believe Percy's out there facing it alone.
Percy's out there? In this weather? Alone? Is it safe? The drifts are really deep on the main line. I did warn him. Percy has not made it to the next station yet. We think he's stuck in the snow. Do you think you can help him? Of course. Come on, everyone. Good evening, Gordon. Did you have a good day?
Yes, I did, Emily. But now I am very, very tired and must get some rest before...
Gordon!
Oh.
This weather is horrible. There he is! Percy, are you okay? Edward! Oh, thank goodness! Percy, I'm sorry I told you to go out alone. I was trying to prove that you could be your own engine without Thomas. I never meant for you to end up this, well, cold. It's all right, Diesel. Thank you for coming to rescue me. Blaze, we need your help. There's been an avalanche in Osborne. No time to lose then. It's no use. We'll never be able to do this on our own. Oh, great job, everyone! Oh, hello, everyone. What are you all doing here? Have I missed anything? Percy, I'm sorry I rushed off earlier. Ryan asked me to help him with the snowdrifts. It's all right. I thought you didn't want to pull the mail with me. Don't be silly. Of course I do. Besides, we'll be able to see the town's decorations soon. Well, I think it's about time we headed home for some well-earned rest. Ryan, Skiff, would you like to come back with us to the sheds? I can push you, Skiff, if you'd like. Oh, cheers, Percy. Might have to take you up on that one. Diesel, would you like to come and join us too? Yes. Well, I mean, I suppose I could, if it's not too much trouble or anything, I'm a little bit busy. I am a busy Diesel, but